Most students get confused with these three terms: prime numbers, co-prime numbers, and twin prime numbers. So let's understand the difference. Let's talk about prime numbers. So prime number is a number that has exactly two factors. And which are those two factors? 1 and the number itself. That means, in simple words, they are those numbers which can be divided completely only by 1 and by the number itself. Say example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So these are the examples of prime numbers. Let's move on to the co-prime numbers. So co-prime numbers are those two numbers whose HCF, that is the highest common factor, is 1. In simple words, they are those two numbers which cannot be divided by any common factor other than 1. Now here you need to remember one very important thing. Co-prime numbers need not necessarily be prime. They may be prime, they may be composite as well. So let's see this with the help of an example. So 2 and 5. Now here you see the common number that divides both the numbers is nothing but 1. 2 is a prime number, 5 is also a prime number. We'll take another example, say 8 and 15. Now here 8 has factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. So it has more than two factors. So it's a composite number. 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. So even 15 has more than two factors. It's also a composite number. But if you observe then, the HCF, that is the number that is common to both the numbers which can divide these numbers, is nothing but 1. So these two numbers whose HCF is 1 are known as the co-prime numbers. Finally, moving on to the twin prime numbers. So these are those pair of prime numbers whose difference is exactly 2. Say 3 and 5. Just observe, 3 is a prime number, 5 is also a prime number, and the difference between them is 2. We'll take another example, say 5 and 7. So both these numbers are prime numbers and the difference between them is 2. So some more examples, 11 and 13, 17 and 19. So these are few more examples of twin prime numbers. So I hope now these three terms are clear to you.